Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a garden update, and it's an indoor garden because this is what it looks like outdoors. First thing, um, so this is my Swiss chard. I planted that on December 23rd, and I've given up on it. So I guess those aren't going to grow. I stuck that over there in the corner. But this is what I got going so far. I got lettuce. This is romaine lettuce. I'm trying to root the ball lettuce there. Head lettuce, sorry. Potatoes. My little carrot. I'm trying to grow the greens so that I can let it go to seed and then get carrots. Potato in the back. That one, I think the cat got to that one. Not sure. These are grow lights. Let me find those. Hold on a minute. I don't know what. Oh, they're there. So they're grow lights. Somewhere in here it says full spectrum. I don't know. That's what it is. These are my potatoes. They're just taken off. The original ones that I did a few weeks ago. Kind of growing in the milk jugs. Okay, and then in the fridge, I have apple seeds. I'm trying to germinate. So I just did that on the 21st. So we'll see how that goes. And then let me show you what else I got. So we don't have curbside garbage pickup, and we have to take our stuff to the dump, and then we recycle. We have to take that to the different area of the dump where there's recycling. So I found these in the recycle bin. I think there's like 30 of them in there. And I thought, wow, that'd be great for a potato bucket. I mean, look at that. Here's my hand. I don't know, 2 or 3 gallons, I think. It's under 5 gallons. So it's probably 2 or 3 gallons. I just thought, I was really happy when I found those. That's all I want to say. All right, well, that's the garden update. Thanks for watching, guys.